First, head over to my GitHub repository and download 2 files, telegram.py and requirements.txt. And make sure to place both files in your Python project directory. Open your Python IDE and navigate to the project directory. In the terminal, run the command pip install-r requirements.txt. This will install the required packages. Create a new Python file and name it whatever you like. For this demonstration, I'll name it main.py. In main script, import the session manager class from Telegram module like this. Now let's write the code to create a telethon session file. We'll use the session manager class for this. So, session manager.telethon, session_file equal true. Run the code and it will prompt you to input your API credentials. To get API ID and API hash, go to this Telegram authentication page and log in with your Telegram account. Create app by clicking on API Development Tools. Provide a name for your app and save it. Input your API ID and API hash and your phone number. Enter your account password if your account has password enabled. Otherwise, simply press Enter to skip this step. And there you have it. Your telethon session file is now ready to use. To create a telethon string session, you can simply replace the session file parameter with session string. That's all there is to it. When it comes to string sessions, you have 2 options: generating the session string through login or extracting the string from a telethon session file if you have one. Generating the session string through login basically involves inputting your phone number and requesting the OTP from your account, just like when creating a session file before. Since I already have a session file that I created earlier, I'll now generate the session string from it. Input your API ID and API hash as usual. Then enter your session file name. You're all set. Now you have your string session. The same steps apply for pyrogram sessions as well. If you want to create pyrogram sessions, simply change the method to pyrogram and choose your preferred session type. For more detailed information, be sure to visit the telethon and pyrogram documentations. You'll find everything you need there, including example codes that are incredibly helpful. Never share your sessions with anyone. If someone gets them, they gain access to your accounts and can do anything they want. So, make sure to keep your session safe.